Day 65, Harmony, the Coherence Timeline. Command. Today I jump into the timeline of harmony. This is my reality now. Mini transmission. Harmony is not sameness, it is resonance. It's when all of the parts sing together without losing their uniqueness. In harmony, even contrast becomes music. Choosing this timeline is choosing internal coherence, external alignment, and soulful attunement. Activation. Place your hands on your ears, then your heart. Breathe and say, "Harmony lives in me." I welcome balance. I align with grace. Optional practice. Find harmony in one discord today, whether a thought, a conversation, or an emotion. Listen, soften, blend. Anchor phrase. I collapse all other options. I live in the timeline of harmony.